Good morning, friends. Today we will be dealing about objectives of MA, FMC and regulatory sector of commodity derivatives. India has a longest history of commodity trading and considering the peak in the some form of the derivative trading. The first derivative was set up in 1875 in Mumbai where the cotton future was traded. This is followed by establishment of future market in retail oil seeds complex and the jute goods and the bullions. This became a active industry in the volume. However, in 1935, a law was passed government and the formed the Food Controlling Authority as a defense of Indian Act 1935. This includes the ability to restrict and ban the trading in the derivatives on those food commodities. Post independence in 1950, India has continued to struggle with the feeding of population, and government has increased the restriction trade in food commodity. And just the time the FMC was established and government felt that the derivative market increased the stipulation which led to increase the cost and the price instability. In finally in 1955 abandoned future and trading in India. The industry was pushed undergoing and profound mean that the development and establishments was came in 1970. The future and option market began to develop in rest of the world. Indian derivative market was felt behind, and appreciation of the stipulation and participation in the condition of surveillance and promoting the government to continue the prohibited well into the 1980, and resulting of this period the large number of small and isolated regional future market was diminishing and flooded with the separate trading community with a different region with a lighter contact of other. Next to official approval of exchange, there was many love market, and most of them was unofficial exchange operated for many decades. Some unofficial market traded 20 to 30 volume of official exchange. This was not a future and option contract. A transaction was very low and attracting stipulation as a regulatory was reputed. In 1953, under the provision of Forward Contract Regulatory Act 1952, it was considered less to extended. Four members was appointed by the central government, out of them being the nominated by the central government to as a chairman of commission. Since the trading in India was traditionally on the food commodities, the agency was originally overseen by the Ministry of Consumer Affairs and Food and Public Distribution in India, and commission approved in news as March 2012 for banning the gun bun future trading. After this, the price was due to this using fact cost and the food inflation. In 2013, commission responsible to move the Ministry of Finance to reflect the future trading as became more and more financial activities. In 28 September 2005, the FMC was merged with the SEBI to make a regulatory commodity future market strong. The SEBI will be take caring now. Objective of FMC is a main chief regulatory of forward and future contract in the country, and the commission give a regulatory insight to ensure the financial integration as well as marketing integration to know the market situation as well as financial demand required to the future and forward contract. It will be working towards the protection and promoting the interest of customer and as well as non participatory. A customer means who have been trading in the futures and forward contract with related to farmers and as well as consumer who will be trading, and non-participant such as who will be exchanging such as broker agents and as well as other parties who are indirectly involved in the commodity market. As FMC was the main regulatory for the commodity market in dealing in India, and it will be safeguarding the interest of investor as well as promoter as well as farmer also. And again the FMC assured that the market situation and take into the account that the recommendation made by the exchange commodity exchange for pursuing the rules and regulation of exchanges. A commission recorded the permission for the conducting of trading in distinct contract while the monitoring the market situation continuously. It takes the remedial measure wherever necessary to impose the regulatory measures. As here FMC has been regulating in effective way that the day-to-day activity will be in recorded in FMC as well as the future and commodity trading will be involved in district level, and monitor will be recorded before it was conducted in state or district level, as well as country level. Now FMC has been continued to improve in district level also, and remedial measure has been taken to necessary impose the regulatory measures. Objective of this regulatory by the central government were to exit from forward dealings operation with the unnecessary future resources and unacquired experience, and prevent all the forms of price manipulations and commission sold to be achieved the first by recognizing for the forward trading of selecting their trade considerations and regulating their uh, co- association and as well as council and market practices. Here objective of regulatory will be dealing in the commissions which are been regulating the situation and as well as constitution their rules and regulation as framed by the FMCs. uh, Inter objective of FMC is to achieve the price stability by the mean of price discovery as well as risk management, and the commission also continue to information regarding to the trade condition in respect of goods to which the more any objectives of act will be made applicable. It is also advised that the central government regarding to consider the association. Here they have specifically say that the price discovery and risk management will be main motto of for forward and future market, which will be helpful for the producer as well as farmer who will be trading in, and they could hedge or stipulate their price in order to mitigate the risk in the commodity exchange. These are the things which are being traded in the future trade in FMCs. There are 23 fibers and manufacturers, and 15 spices, and 44 yield oil, and 6 pulses, and 4 energy products, and single vegetables, and 20 metal future, and 33 other futures are traded here. And commodity traded on this exchange composed of liver even seed oil such as coconut, mushroom, cotton, sunflower, and other like food grains like wheat, gram, and pulses, messes element like gold, silver, platinum, gold, and spices like pepper, and fiber like cotton, jute, and other such as rubber, natural gas, and crude oil. The Commission approved the news in March 2012 to ban the gun products future after the price was declined to crack the inflation. To summarize the objective into the few FMC working, it will be suggesting the central government on subjecting to the assess and delivering to consider for the any commodity exchange to observe the forward market activity and to take the necessary action within the power assigned to under the forward contract regulatory act 1952 and to grade and the publish monetary information related to forward contract to give a recommendation related to improvement in the working of future trading and commodity exchange to examine the accounting and other documents of necessary consideration exchange and the association and other any kind of such organization and to execute other function assessed to the commission by the F- FCR Act 1952 which will be regulating by them. Thanks for watching these videos, and please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you like this video, share with your friends who are been needed to face their exam for BCom and MCom session.